Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get two players of 94 and 98 OVR Eurostar in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game. Still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started. So the UEFA Euro 2024 is on. So who's your favorite country, favorite team? So let's get started by tap this exchange, and this is the Euro exchange feature. So you can get Mascherano, daily bonus exchange, Eurostar player, 2 players, and limited exchange. That I want to show you this one. Eurostar player, 2 players. This is the untradeable player. If you're lucky, you can get one of this player. Let's get back. You have to fulfill the condition first. Let's start from the bottom. 5 player with 85 plus OVR. 3 players with 90 plus OVR here, and then the top one is 3 player with 93 OVR. So if you fulfill this condition, this button will turn on. Let's tap exchange button. Tap to open. Let's see who we got now. From Spain, center back, we got Aymeric Laporte, and the second player is Bajrami from Albania with central attacking midfielder. So we got good player here. Unfortunately, he got only 74 pace and stamina, 3 star and half. So it's not good, but it's not bad. You can try to exchange leaders with a better OVR. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.